The second step is to read all documents in the collection. Let's create a new method here. I'll name it as get all documents in collection. And I'll use collection reference.get.add on success listener and a pass here on success listener interface. We overrided this method on success. Collection reference represents the reference to a specific collection within your Firestore database from which you want to retrieve documents. And in this case, it's indicating the user's collection. And if you scroll up, you can see the reference is users. Get method is called when we need to perform a read operation and retrieve documents from a specified collection. You can add on success listener to the result of the get operation method. This listener will be called when the data retrieval is successful. The query document snapshots contains the documents in the collection. Inside the onSuccess method of the onSuccess listener, you receive a query snapshot. The query snapshot contains the documents retrieved from the collection, as well as the metadata about the query itself. And as learned before in the previous sections of the Firebase, I need to query the data in the snapshots. We're going to use the for each loop to loop through and iterate through documents. So you can use for loop to iterate through the query document snapshot objects in the query document snapshots. Each query document snapshot represents a document in a collection. And you can use methods like getString, getLong, and etc. to access the data within each document. Let's start getting and iterating through all documents in the collection. So for that, I'll use for query document snapshot in the query document snapshot. Here, query document snapshot represents a document in a collection. Query document snapshot. The second step is to transform snapshots into objects. We get snapshot for every item in the query document snapshots, and we need to transform it into objects of type friend. So friend equals to snapshot.toObject method, and here I'll specify the friend.class. And here I'm telling that for every document in the snapshot, go and transform it into an object of type friend. I'll create outside this for loop an empty string just to display it into the text view. Then for every friend, I need to use this data string equals to appending the name and the email. So name equals to friend.getName plus email friend.getEmail plus a new line. I'm appending in this data string every document, go and transform it into an object, and then get from this object the name and the email and display it in one single line. Then I need to set the text view to the retrieved data. Text view.setText to data. Let's run. And every time I miss to call this in the button set click listener, read button.set on click listener, new view on click listener, and call this method. Again, run, click on read data button, and congratulations guys, we get the name and the email for every object and for every document in the Firestore.